All right, so here we have drug checking reagents. These are the kind of reagents that can indicate the presence of a substance. So it doesn't test for all the possible adulterants in the sample. It can only show you one result. But this is still a great way to try to reduce harm of drug use and to make more sensible choices regarding own drug use if somebody is engaging in such activity. So it's a very simple tool. It's a quite cheap reagent which you put just one drop of it in a vial. Like here we can see there is a drop of a reagent in each of the vials. So the color is different because one of the samples was in fact MDMA, and that would be the black color, and the other substance is something else. Actually it is aspirin, but this is the color that would be matching as well for most of the synthetic catenols, so the legal highs. So to use the reagent we follow a color chart. So depending on the substance we have a sequence of reagents that we would use. First we put a sample in the first one, and then we observe the color change. If it's transparent, if it doesn't react, we take another sample and put it in another test. So for a test like this you need just a small amount of substance. Here it's not even visible, it's just like a grain or a very small amount, around 5 milligrams. So testing the substances is quite easy. You just add the small amount to a vial, or put it on a plate or on a piece of clean glass, and then add a drop of a reagent. So that would be pretty simple. You push and open the bottle. If you use a vial, it goes like this, and then we add just a drop or two of the reagent. Here the reaction already took place, so it is black, but it is the same for any case. So the drug checking project is something we are trying to do to enable people to do more aware choices about how they party, and to make sure that they party both safe and sound. And as well we are trying to bring more awareness about just the amount of substances, and basically engage with the users, because this is the most important thing. That this is not a tool, this is not a toy, it's a tool to engage with the users and community of people who are interested in drugs, do use drugs recreationally or more as a habit. However, they wouldn't ever seek counsel or any information about harm reduction in another way than through a project like this. So this is how we are able to engage with young people and problematic users, people who eventually really value their safety of how they have fun, however wouldn't ever in other case seek information about safer drug use. So this is what we do with my friends in social drug policy in Poland, and try to provide more and more resources to the community and improve the safety of how we have fun and how we party.